Hi, and thank you for coming to the garden at NewTree Ranch. Today we are going to make some fresh Alaskan king salmon. We were plant-based here at the ranch, and we've decided to start adding animal protein into our diets. And so going out and researching sustainably caught, sustainably raised animals to introduce into the ranch is one of our missions. And so last week I went to Alaska to catch this beautiful king salmon. Unfortunately, my fishing trip got canceled at the last minute, but I got to take a wonderful trip with my mom, which I highly suggest. It was so much fun. Call your mom if you've got the time and ask her where she wants to go and take her. So we're gonna cook this wonderful king salmon. I was out this morning and I found all these amazing blackberries. So I've never done it before, but I thought a blackberry king salmon with some green beans. You know, one of the things at NewTree Ranch that is so wonderful is all of our amazing produce. And here we've got 3 different types of green beans to serve the salmon on. So come, let's take a trip to Alaska today and enjoy a beautiful meal. Wild salmon and wild blackberries.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. A little bit of everything. Wow.